There's nothing that COVID loves more than getting around infected people galore. Close contacts feel they're getting stalked by the virus in their lungs when they go for a walk. Back in July, Delta strain exploded. ScoMo was supposed to make sure that the vaccines Moderna, AstraZeneca and Pfizer got around the country just to keep us alive. And AstraZeneca, Pfizer and Moderna, the vaccine saviors. AstraZeneca, Moderna, Pfizer, work. Jabbing gets us out of lockdown. Grabbing two's the way to go. Having all our cities locked down. Gotta get on with the show. So take a vow, make it now. The vaccination's happening and it can work. It's bad enough that we didn't order more. COVID cases everywhere. We've had it rough getting Pfizer to our shore. No supply but none to spare. Look around, look around. AstraZeneca, remind me what we're looking for. Pfizer, we're looking for a jab to work. We're looking to get back to work. We're looking for some more teamwork. Whoa, 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 work. See, we want summer in another city. Somewhere lush and warm, maybe somewhere nice and pretty. Excuse me, but we're kinda in a hurry. These vaccine jabs do away with our worry. While we're looking to the future, making this appeal. We curse this worst bit while we face this ordeal. Sure, can't you just see it's vaccine or bust, see? Surely you must see, baby, you can trust me. Checking in was common sense with alpha strain. This variant is too intense to contain. You want a resolution, you need a vaccination. So listen to my explanation. 2 Pfizer jabs or AstraZeneca if your GP says it's okay. So if you can get whatever one, then what's better than the shot that you can get today? Work! Locking down, and it's sucky we all are stuck inside always. Locking down, we'll be lucky to run a back outside one day. History in the making, no more aching, hearts are breaking. The vaccine saviors of the world, they're the vaccine saviors of the world. We all need common sense to end COVID's reign. We got no time to waste to fight the strain. It's not a revolution, it's just a vaccination. So come on, let's vax the nation. We know these truths, we know the precedent, and there will be no COVID sequel. Book it now, and how lucky we are to have a jab somehow. Mystery, what's happening, but we're jabbing and we're tapping into the vaccine saviors of the world. The vaccine saviors of the world. AstraZeneca, Pfizer and Moderna, the vaccine saviors. We're looking for a jab